Looky here. Practice test for probability. Look at this. I'm going to ace this test because I'm watching this video right now. Go you. Okay, first one. It says given that. Means again, given that it's 6 periods. So I know for sure it's going to be one of these. That's what given that's saying. Given that for sure it's going to be one of those. So that total right there will give me 13. What's the probability that the person watches more than 1 hour? So this was, did you watch more than 1 hour? This would be the yes column. So it's either going to be one of these two. Probability to watch more than 1 hour is the 6. It would be 6 out of 13. You can't simplify that at all, but if you wanted to put it as a decimal, 0.46 or 46%. Mutually exclusive, it says or. Whenever there's or, whenever you see or, you're going to add. So I can just add 14 plus 77, and I get 91%. Whenever you see an and means multiply. So I can have 0.37 times 0.77, I get 0.2849. If you just had 0.28, I would be okay with that too. The spinner used in a board game. What is the probability the spinner will land on a multiple of 3 and 4? Okay, so first I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's a total of 8 there. It has to be a multiple of 3 and 4. So that means I can divide this number by 3 and 4, and it's going to be a whole number. So 24 divided by 3 is 8. 24 divided by 4 is 6. That one works. 22 divided by 3, 22 divided by 4, that one doesn't work. 54 divided by 3 is 18. 54 divided by 4, I'm pretty sure that one doesn't work. That's 13.5. 36 divided by 3 is 12. 36 divided by 4 is 9. So this one works. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 18 divided by 4 is not a whole number. Nope. Yep, 12 divided by 3 is 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 64 divided by 3, I'm pretty sure it's not a whole number, and it's not. So there's 3 answers that could work here. So it'd be 3/8, or else you can divide that out. You definitely could read this whole shebang. However, I'm just going to read this. Find the probability that the student preferred afternoon classes given they're a junior. So for sure I know that they're a junior. For sure I know it's going to be one of those. Before I do anything else, I know it's a given that. So 19 plus 2 plus 13. So this is 34. So this answer will be out of 34. Saying, given that they're a junior, what's the probability they prefer afternoon? So afternoon, junior. So on top would be where they overlap. So that's afternoon and junior. Now, if I leave my answer like that, I will definitely mark you off points. You have to put in your calculator. You can either divide both of them by 2 to get 1/17, or else if you have it as a decimal, 0.06 could round up, or else 6%. Lynn and Don tossed a coin 40 times, got heads 24 times. What's the experimental probability, meaning use the information that I just gave you. What's the probability they toss a heads? Well, they did it a total of 40. My intended outcome was 24. Again, if you leave your answer like that, that would not be good. You can leave your head as 0.6, 60%, or else 2/5. In how many ways can 6 singers be selected from 9 to audition? First, you have to decide, does order matter? Is it different? Well, it's not saying you're putting the 6 singers in first, second, third, fourth place, so order does not matter here. The larger number always goes in front, the smaller number goes second. So I can go to math, go over to probability. Here I have the C. So I'm saying I have 9 people and I'm choosing 6 of them. How many different ways can I do that? That'd be 84. Next to these, you have to type in your calculator. If you're not trying to do that, you're going to ask me in person. How many ways can 10 basketball players be listed in a program? Again, think, is this different? Well, yes, if my name was the first one on the list, it would be different than if my name was the last one. It's different, so it's going to be P. Order matters. I have 10 people, and I'm picking 10 of them. So again, you go to math, go to probability. I'm going to go, hey, I just typed in this P right here. 10, choose 10. I get this very large number. 3,628,800, 3,628,800. In how many ways can you order 3 cards on a table? So different orders. Order matters. 3, pick 3. Again, if you type this into your calculator, 3, pick 3, order matters would give me 6. I'm going to the yogurt shop. I'm going to get some frozen yogurt. So 3 frozen yogurts, 12 different toppings. Oh, wait a second. This is not just one big group. I don't already have them in one, the frozen yogurts made and picking from a huge group. These are 2 different things. There's multiple things here. So to figure out how many different ways to do this, I would multiply them together. In this case, it would be 36 different ways that you could choose frozen yogurt with 12 different toppings. Use this picture. So what's the probability of picking a black marble? Before I do this, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have a total of 10 different marbles. So what's the probability of picking black? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 10. Whoopsies, which would be 2/5. What's the probability of not picking swirl? So you could do 10 minus swirl or add up the ones that are not swirl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 out of 10 or 3/5. What's the probability of picking swirl or white? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 out of 10 or 3/5. And the last one, given that you like math, so probability student in high school likes math at 87%. So that's going to be my total. Given that is always your total. What's the probability children likes auto and math? Auto and math then go on top. So right here, the people who like math and like auto, it's 49. Wow, there's a lot of people in the high school who like math. 87%? Who would have thunk it? So my overall probability would be 56%, either 0.56 or 56%. Remember, when you talk about probability, you should not be over 100. There you go. Have a hip hop happening day.